Hello and welcome to this, yet again, another exciting edition of Dealing with Brightspace. And so for this particular time, I'm going to be doing a little tutorial on what I think is one of the coolest features. It's really kind of the sell for me when it came to Brightspace. And I think maybe these features are widely present in different learning management systems, but it was my first experience with one being so elegantly implemented within a learning management system, and that is the video note. And what this is the ability that when you are teaching in Brightspace, every time you have the ability to create a text, something like you're going to do an announcement, or you're giving feedback on an assignment, or you're participating in a discussion, wherever there's that text box, you have the ability to insert stuff. In fact, that's the term that Brightspace uses. Insert stuff like videos and pictures and links and all that. But one of the coolest things that I think, one of the coolest tools that we can use to engage in our students is this thing called Video Note, which uses your camera on your device, and you simply say, I want to leave a little video. I think, well, say a little. They're up to 30 minutes long, I think, in this. But you can just leave a little note as an announcement, or to give somebody special feedback, or to give somebody advice or a little tutorial or something. So I'm going to show you using the announcement tool. Now, this little icon appears everywhere, but I'll use the announcement tool within my sandbox to show you how to create that little video instead of typing everything. So here we are in Brightspace in my sandbox, and this is the same one we've been using all this time. So I can click here, or I can go home and click announcements. It really doesn't matter. I click announcements, and right now there are no announcements in this class. So I select new announcement. And this is the text box I'm talking about right here. I can have a welcome to class sort of title to this thing, and then I can type things here. But there's all of these things. In fact, if you go over here to these three dots, at least on my interface, I click those and I get a few more things. I can do tables, and I can do math symbols. I'm not even sure what that is. Cut and paste, paragraph style here. But the thing we're looking at today is this little button here. It looks like the little play button. If that is the insert stuff. So I click on that, and I'm going to be given a whole bunch of options. I can get stuff from my computer, different files. I can go to the learning repository, the ePortfolio, skip over this one, add a video. I can search my existing video notes. I can add a YouTube link, and it'll embed it right in there. Flickr, insert link, embed code, Panopto. These are all different tools that we have access to, but the one I'm looking at right now is Add Video Note. What a great way to leave personal feedback to somebody on something. I'm really looking forward to using this tool, because I like to find exceptional work, and I don't mind publishing it. I don't mind telling the world or telling the whole class, take a look at Suzanne's work, it's amazing. But that can have negative and positive effects. And to tell you the truth, I like to gush about it. I like to tell students that they did something that caught my attention, and I think this is going to allow me to actually put some of that emotion into how I really feel about the assignment that they just submitted to me. So we're back into Brightspace, and I simply select Add Video Note, and it gives me this interface right here, and it's looking for my camera. You can see my computer camera is right there. My video camera that I'm doing this is right there. So there's a little disparity here, but nonetheless, here's my little video, and I simply say new recording, when I click on this, it's going to start recording. Hello. That was such a great job you did on this assignment. It was really amazing, really caught my attention. I can tell that you spent a lot of time on it. You really captured what I was looking for in this assignment, and I'm really happy that you did that. And so congratulations, you really went over the top on this one. So good job, keep it up. And then press.
Hello. That was
and
such
it's playing it
a
back
great
to me.
job.
I have it on mute right now, but it's playing it back to me.
Amazing, really caught my attention.
And I can stop
that
that.
you spent.
And then I go to next. And when it does, it's actually storing the file. It's going to store it in my course so I could go search for it and use it again. So it gives me this ability to give it a title and say feedback to Marge. And then I can put a description in there. I can automatically, I think, maybe not. If I go to English, I can do subtitles and captions. You got to pick it. You got to pick a language first, and then press the little box for subtitles. Really good ADA stuff going on there. So that's awesome work. So here's my feedback to Marge. I go back to next. It's going to bring me to this screen right here where it tells me the video is currently being processed in wherever Brightspace servers are. I insert it. It brings me back to this little box. So I'm back in the same announcement place. And this is an object, so I can center it right there. And I can say, great job. Now I press publish. And now you see in the announcements, you'll see this. So this is what the students will see. They'll see it, in this case, in the announcements, and they can press play.
Hello. That was such a
And
great
the
job you
video
did
is playing.
on this assignment. It was really amazing.
I
really
think that
caught
is
my
just the
attention.
cat's
I can tell that
meow.
you spent a lot of time.
So that's how you use video notes. Now, I encourage you to use these in every way possible that you think is appropriate. Obviously, not going overboard with anything, but what a great way to leave a very personal message, or to reach out to somebody and encourage them to get back into the class, or to re-engage in the class. And I think this ability to send a personal video message is almost like a video mail. If you think about like voicemail, sort of I'm leaving a little video message for somebody with their assignment or with the announcements and all that. So what a great tool. So use it at will. Hope this has been helpful, and I will see you next time.